Okay, so you just got a new job as a school bus driver and you're trying to figure out this bus. So you're watching this video because you want to know, how can I turn the heat on in this freezing cold weather with all these buttons? So this is what you're going to do. Your boost pump, this is what makes the heat come out. You can have your heat on as much as you want, but if you do not have this boost pump on, it's just going to blow out cold air. You must have the boost pump on to make the hot heat come out. Turn your boost pump on. This is for your driver's seat. This is for your steps. This is for the middle of the bus. This is for the back of the bus. So your driver heater defrost, you can have that on low or high. Don't forget, you have to have this boost pump on. Your step well heater, you can have it on low or high. And of course, that is where it's going to heat up, steps. The midship heater, low or high. Low or high. The rear heater, the back of the bus, low and high. Like me, in the morning, I'm turning them all on. You know? And you just work with that.